Point 9, swap the min and max. Given a list of distinct numbers, swap the minimum and maximum and print the resulting list. So I have 3, 4, 5, 2, and 1. It swaps the maximum with my minimum. So like the last video, we're going to have to remember a few things. So minimum equals a of 0 to start. Maximum is also going to be equal to a of 0. Min index obviously is equal to 0, and the max index equals to 0 as well. Now, what are we going to run through this? For I in range from 1, right? Because I already know what the first one is. It's already set, so we're going to check from 1 all the way to my length of A. And what we're going to check is if A of I is greater than our current max, we have a new max and a new max index. So our max is equal to A of I, and our max index is equal to I. Now, if A of I is less than our min, we have a new min. Our min is equal to A of I, and our min index is going to be equal to I. And now that we've done that, we've iterated through our whole thing. We have our minimum and our minimum index and our maximum and our maximum index. So we're going to check this one. A, wherever our minimum index was, wherever our minimum was, we're going to throw in our max. Oops, not our max index, but our max. And wherever our max index was, we're going to throw in our min. And then we're going to print it. So prior to now, I've basically been using line equals that, and I said something like print, or sorry, for I item in A, and I would just line plus equals and stringify item and give it a space. And then I said print line. Okay, so rather than do all of that, I mean, you could do all that, but here's a little Python trick. Print, and that's basically it. That will replace all of that. It'll print everything and turn it into a string and separate it with a space. And I think if you wanted it separated by something else, I think you'd write something like that to make commas. In fact, let's do it like this just to check, just to test it. So let's say I have 3, 4, 5, 2, and 1. Oops, I guess it added the end. Maybe I might be confusing languages. Regardless, it printed it up with spaces between, which is what I wanted. And let's not worry about this comma right here. And let's submit. And that's how that's done.